In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable double-click side button to pay on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off let's head over to settings, then tap at Wallet and Apple Pay. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find double-click side button feature. If that switcher toggled on, you will be able to double-click your side button to pay using your payment cards. If you want to turn off that feature, just hit enter that button to do it. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.